The Air Force is developing a new Titan missile. But adapting it for Gemini missions won't be easy. One out of every 5 Titans fails. An 80% success rate isn't good enough if men are going to ride it into space.
Well, it wasn't perfect.
A rocket is like a controlled explosion that is looking for any weakness that it can find to get out.
I remember sitting watching TV with my mother and father one day when they were going to show a live launch down at the Cape, and the thing just barely got off the pad when it blew up. Of course, that wasn't exactly a confidence builder for my mother and dad.
Engineers check and recheck every part and install redundant systems throughout the rocket to make it more reliable. Training simulates every phase of a mission.
You couldn't just go in there and get in a spacecraft and do it.
Whatever you got assigned to do, you did your darndest to do it right.
Finally, NASA launches 2 rockets that don't explode. Gus Grissom and John Young will ride the next Titan missile into space.